In normal operation, you will use the control app to quickly apply the light settings that are optimum for your room at that specific time. For example, when you are watching a movie, you may prefer to have ambient lighting in the room and only have the halo light switched on. Or perhaps, when you are reading a book, you may prefer to have one light in the room operate at full brightness and provide cool white light, whilst other room lights operate at different settings. Whatever settings you choose to apply, for convenience your room lights remember these settings when they are switched off at the wall switch, and they automatically apply these settings again the next time they are switched on. This enables the same light settings to be applied repeatedly in the room until they are changed using the control app. For additional convenience, there is also an easy way to override your light's memory settings without using the control app. The wall switch override feature is particularly useful when full bright light is desired instantly in a room that normally operates different settings and is commonly used when cleaning rooms. It is also an essential safety feature that allows rooms to be lit even though the room lights have been switched off in the control app settings. To override the room light's memory settings, simply switch the lights off at the wall switch for 2 seconds and then switch them back on. The room lights will now only illuminate the main light at full brightness and the halo will be off. You will notice that the color of the room lights after the wall switch override is a warm white. If you want to change this light color to a cooler white, simply switch the lights off again at the wall switch for 2 seconds and then switch them back on. And if you want to change this color to a bright cool white, simply switch the lights off again at the wall switch for 2 seconds and then switch them back on. Your lights can be cycled through 3 different color temperatures by repeating the switching off at the wall switch for 2 seconds and then switching back on until you are happy with your selection. After 20 seconds in the switched on position, your new settings will be retained in the light's memory and will be applied repeatedly until they are modified again by the control app or are overridden at the wall switch. It's really that simple. You can now easily override your light settings using the wall switch and can always light your room in the color temperature of your choice without using the control app.